Greetings, Moody historical geographers and historical geographets. This is Dr. Stevens coming to you from Israel again. And we're moving into week 7 of our 8-week course. Only one more week to go after this week. We've covered an amazing amount of material. And if you've kept up, outstanding. If not, you'll need to hustle the next couple of weeks and get her done. Also, be sure to see the important PS below at the end of this announcement. But in order to keep focus, consider the devotional thoughts here. God's concern for Israel as they were camped on the plains of Moab over against Jericho. That is, they're on the eastern side of the Jordan with Jericho on the western side of the Jordan. And there's some important things going on there. So read down through that. I don't want to give away the farm here, so read through that. And consider about the personal application. This week, you're going to be focusing on the return and intertestamental period, the time of Herod the Great. We have 2 objectives for you this week. That being to explain how geographical features impact our interpretation of the Bible using a specific example from the period, and to evaluate the significance of Jerusalem today compared to ancient pre-Christ times. You've got 2 videos to watch, the introductory video 7-1 and the online class example 7.2. So be sure to watch those. In Betzel, you're reading pages 201 to 202, Judea after the exile, 220 to 231, Jerusalem through the ages, and 232 and 237 of Roman Empire. I hope to post, by the way, for you a video. I was at the Shrine of the Book, the Israeli Biblical Museum here in Jerusalem on Sunday, and I went to the model city. This is a model of first century Jerusalem built to scale, so be sure to look over that video. Assignment number 4 is due this week, and your discussion board this week: does the city of Jerusalem hold the same importance today as it did in biblical times, or did the life and death of Jesus impact its significance since that time? I look forward again to reading what promises to be your very thoughtful assignment number 3 papers that you finished and turned in. Read the instructions and research the topic carefully and well for your upcoming paper. As always, remember my admonitions to maintain contact with one another. Encourage one another to love and good works, as the book of Hebrews says. That requires your contacts being personal and accountable. Well, that's another week's announcement. Down below, there's information on the course evaluation. We really need you to take the time to fill these out. They don't take that long, but they do help us at Moody to evaluate our courses, evaluate our professors, and we can adjust courses and professors accordingly. Even as your professor, I'm growing in the Lord and looking always to improve my teaching ability online. So thank you for helping us to perpetually improve our MDL courses and delivery process. And finally, attached is a zip file of my trip to Samaria, as well as that file with the video of the model city. God bless.